Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to send USDC from Exmo to Robinhood in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this process has gotten even more streamlined, but it's still crucial to get it right to avoid any hiccups. Whether you're diversifying your portfolio or just moving funds around, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Exmo and Robinhood. If you don't, pause this video and get that done. It's essential for seamless transfers. Now, let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Log into your Exmo account and navigate to the wallet section. Locate your USDC balance. This is where you'll initiate the withdrawal. Double check that you're in the correct wallet. USDC is typically on the Ethereum blockchain, so ensure that's selected to avoid any errors. Next, go to the withdrawal page on Exmo. You'll need to enter the recipient's wallet address, which in this case is from your Robinhood account. To get that Robinhood address, hop over to your Robinhood app or website. Head to the crypto section, select USDC, and find the deposit or receive option. Copy the wallet address carefully. Mistakes here can lead to lost funds, so no rushing. Back on Exmo, paste that address into the withdrawal form, specify the amount of USDC you want to send, and review the network fees. In 2025, expect potential updates to fee structures due to blockchain improvements, so keep an eye on that to minimize costs. Once everything looks good, hit confirm and authorize the transaction. Most platforms use two-factor authentication for security, so have that ready. Sit tight while the transfer processes. It usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Finally, once it's done, log back into Robinhood and check your USDC balance to confirm the arrival. A quick word of caution: always use the exact network specified. Mismatches can result in irreversible losses. Also, stay vigilant against scams and keep your accounts secure with strong passwords. There you have it, folks. You've just mastered sending USDC from Exmo to Robinhood. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.